To students of class 9. Today I am going to start a new chapter, polynomial. You have learned in your previous classes an expression of the form px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dot dot an x to the power n, where an is not equal to 0, is called a polynomial in degree x. In this chapter there are some terms to understand, so refresh your memory. As for constant, you have learned in previous classes. Constant in Hindi it is said achar, constant, a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. As for 2, 3, 5, 6, minus 7, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4 are called constant because it has fixed numerical value, so it is called constant. Variables in Hindi, variables is called char, a symbol which may be different numerical value is called variable. It is represented by symbol x, y, z, a, b, c, etc. So a symbol which may be different numerical value is called variable, and a symbol which have fixed numerical value is called constant. And one term is also more important, that is algebraic expression, बीजगणितीय व्यंजक. What is an algebraic expression? To define algebraic expression, a combination of constant variables by sum of the operations, connected by sum of the operations, as a plus symbol, plus, minus, into, is called algebraic expression, बीजगणितीय व्यंजक. A combination of constant coefficients when connected by some algebraic operations, then that is called algebraic expression. As for example, 5x square minus 9x plus 4 is called a algebraic expression because in this expression 5 is constant, x square is variable, 4 is constant, x is variable, and all are connected by algebraic sign, as for plus, minus, n. So it is called algebraic expression. And you have unknown for term. What is a term? Pad. We know that an algebraic expression is a combination of different parts. So the several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus minus sign is called term, pad. Different parts of an algebraic expression is called term. And you know that there are various degrees. There are various degrees of polynomial. As for linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. रैखिक बहुपद कहते हैं जिस बहुपद का घात एक हो उसे हम रैखिक बहुपद कहते हैं, linear polynomial. And a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. And what is the number of terms in a polynomial? There are many terms in a polynomial. A polynomial containing one term. If a polynomial has only one term, then it is called monomial. एक पदी, जिसको हम एक पद कहते हैं. If a polynomial has only one term, that is called monomial, एक पदी. And if a polynomial containing two terms is called binomial. Binomial means द्विपदी. ऐसा बहुपद जिसमें दो ही पद हो, only two terms, is called binomial. And if a polynomial has only one term, then it is called monomial. And if a polynomial containing three terms, then it is called trinomial. If a polynomial has only one term, as non-zero constant, then it is called constant polynomial. Now I am going to solve an example of one definition. Find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. If you have to ask the degree of the polynomial, what is the degree of the polynomial, then you can say that the highest power of the variable is in a polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. A polynomial, if in a polynomial the highest degree is 5, then the degree of the polynomial is equal to 5. Highest degree of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Now I am going to clear exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. In question number 1, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. निम्नलिखित व्यंजकों में कौन कौन बहुपद हैं एक चर में, एंड व्हिच आर नॉट, और कौन बहुपद नहीं है. स्टेट रीजन्स फॉर योर आंसर, अपने उत्तर के लिए कारण दें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 4x square, which of the following expressions are polynomials? Are polynomials? in one variable. In one variable and which are not state regions for your answer. First number, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. This is an algebraic expression, and we have to show that these expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not. एक चर में बहुपद है या नहीं, यदि नहीं है तो उसका उत्तर दें. 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 7. Which of the following expressions are polynomial? The answer will be yes. 4x square minus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial in one variable. Yes, the given expression is a polynomial in one variable x as the exponent of x, exponent of x is a whole number. An expression is a polynomial if the degree of the polynomial in variable x is a whole number. यदि किसी बहुपद में चर x के घात एक पूर्ण संख्या हो तो हम उसे बहुपद कहते हैं. So it is very important to understand that if an expression is polynomial, then the exponent of the variable will be a whole number. Similarly, one number, two number problem, y square plus root 2. Answer, y square plus root 2 is an expression. It is also a polynomial. It is also a polynomial in 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 one variable in one variable y, the exponent of y is a whole number. It's a yes. So it is very important to understand that any polynomial, any expression will be polynomial if the degree of the variable will whole number. Similarly, you will solve next questions, and in next class I will teach more. You will try to solve. Thank you.